Today, we're going to be one-shotting Minecraft with Claude Code. No wasting time, let's type in the prompt. Please make a game like Minecraft. I've got this on Opus 5 and setting it to high. I'm just going to leave it in the middle, just default settings. Enter. I tried making Minecraft on previous versions and it made it okay. There were some problems like the mouse cursor was inverted, but overall it made the game. But now that we've got Opus 5 out, we're really going to put it to the test to see if it can make a perfect Minecraft game in just one prompt. We're going to see how long it takes, and we're also going to see what the game looks like. So I'll see you guys in a second when it is done. There we go, it's all done. It took about 40 minutes, and if we go here, we can see it has outputted nearly 300,000 tokens. And you can see I'm also quite close to my 5-hour limit. But just from reading some of the prompts that we've got here, it's added day and night cycle, it says it has a creative mode, it's added night, stars, torchlight, underwater fog, so it seems to have gone into quite a bit of detail. The real test is how does it look? I'm going to open it up in the browser here, and it seems like we can have a world seed as well. So if I type in 1, 2, 3, 4, survival or creative, let's start in survival for now, click create world. Oh my god, it had like a whole, wow. There's one thing that's broken. I'm pressing W and I'm walking backwards, which is strange. So S is forwards and W is backwards. Left and right is okay. The textures look amazing. Much better to how it was before. That's a bit strange. It seems the cows and the pigs, or at least these ones, are freaking out a bit. Oh, got some sound effects. Pretty standard Claude sound effects that it usually puts into these type of games. Try kill a mob. Oh, killed one, and I've also picked up a dandelion. Right, let's try kill one. I've killed one. It doesn't seem to drop anything, which is okay. Let's try mine a tree here. Got some wood, and let's try craft something like a... Oh, okay, so E pauses the game. I've lost my cursor. If I click E again, it takes me out of it. Right, that seems to be a bit broken. If I press E, it takes me to here. I click go back to game, but then I lose my cursor and I can't select any of these blocks. And that also looks like more of like a creative mode block selector. Clouds look pretty decent, sun looks pretty decent. Overall, I think that the textures look amazing. We do seem to have a bit of broken functionality when it comes to crafting and when it comes to the keyboard going forward and backwards, and also the mobs freaking out a bit. But overall, very impressive in terms of look and feel. I'm just going to head down to the water and see what that is like. Got a pumpkin here. Try place a block. I can place a block. Okay. I can place a block. I can't place another one, but it remains in my inventory. Water mechanics. We seem to be bobbing around pretty nicely. Got some strange air pockets down here, but not too bad. It seems like it's made a cave down here. It's pretty impressive. Nothing too crazy, but it's a cave. I'm now going to click save world, because that's pretty intriguing. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize we had controls here. So we had W, A, S, and D. Control, I already tried control for sprint. It didn't work. E is block picker. F3, we go on F3 mode. We're gonna have to try that. Jumping and swimming, that all works. Looking around works. Middle click. I'm actually playing on a trackpad, so I don't have a middle click. F to toggle fly in creative mode. Sneak, we need to try sneak. And then the hotbar, that all works fine. Switch game modes. Okay, so it's M to switch game modes. So continue, click M. Now we're in creative mode. Here's the fly mechanics. Pretty cool. I can double tap spacebar like in Minecraft to disable flying. And then I can just build. And if I press E now, still the same problem where I can't actually use the cursor. This seems to be a common occurrence in Claude Code, where if you break one block, it actually breaks many blocks. It's not very good at just knowing just to break a single block, but that's probably something that you could talk to Claude with and fix. But oh wow, oh my god, look at that cave generation. That's pretty impressive. We've got ore here, it seems. Let's try the F3 mode. So we're facing west, facing north. It's calculating the frame rate, pretty good. Render distance. So has it got if we go into settings, we can increase the render distance. Let's increase it to 12. Let's increase the field of view as well. All right, yeah. I mean, that seemed to increase the render distance. Now, one thing I'm interested in is I'm going to click quit and save. I'm going to create creative mode, and I'm just going to name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Click create world. This seems like a different seed, different cave over here. Got some iron ore down here. If we do open this up, what blocks do we have? We have ice, snow, all the ores, cactus, pumpkin, dandelions, grass, water, bedrock. Oh, here we have some of the snow generation. Pretty cool. Okay, here we go. We got nighttime on the way. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to dig all the way to the bottom. We've hit bedrock and I can't even break it in creative mode. I'm trying to place a torch, which doesn't seem to be working. Oh, there we go. Place the torch. Works pretty well. There's the moon. Just seems like a glow, no real texture. So now what I want to do is I want to see if it has unique seeds. So I'm going to click quit and save. I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, which was the first seed that we tried. Click create world. It's still nighttime, but it does look the same from what limited I can see. So yeah, overall it seems to have made a pretty decent game. There are a couple problems, nothing that you can't fix with a bit of talking to Claude, it seems. Very impressive. So if you want to see me test any more games to make or any more coding to do, whether that be a program or a software, or even try out some other AI models, let me know. And thank you for watching.